Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link your Battlenet and Steam accounts together. This is a useful feature that allows you to connect your gaming profiles and access certain cross-platform features. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to us.shop.battle.net. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Battlenet credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your account. This login step is essential as you'll need to be signed in to manage your account connections. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your Battlenet profile, including security, privacy, and connection settings. Once you're in the account settings area, look at the left panel of the screen. You'll notice several menu options listed vertically. Click on Connections from this list. This section is specifically designed to help you link your Battlenet account with other gaming platforms and services, creating a more integrated gaming experience across different ecosystems. Now, you'll need to scroll down through the Connections page until you find the Steam option. The page displays various platforms and services you can connect with, so take a moment to locate Steam in the list. Right beside the Steam option, you'll see a Connect button. Click on this button to initiate the linking process between your Battlenet and Steam accounts. After clicking Connect, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This is a security measure to ensure you really want to proceed with linking these accounts. Click Continue to move forward with the connection process. This confirms your intention and prepares the system to authenticate with Steam. Finally, you'll be redirected to Steam's login page where you need to sign into your Steam account. Enter your Steam username and password to authenticate. Once you've signed in, Steam will communicate with Battlenet to complete the linking process. This connection allows both platforms to recognize that the accounts belong to the same user, and that's it. You've successfully linked your Battlenet and Steam accounts, enabling cross-platform features and a more connected gaming experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.